The engine, the M1 or 1M engine, everything is very, very original. Great looking engine there. I'll move around and we'll give it a little blip. Then as you can see, everything's very, very original. Don't see anything aftermarket. Don't see any visible oil leaks. Things look nice and clean underneath. So we'll do also that blip, come around and see if we can't hear that beautiful M sound coming out of the rear here. Let's get around up here. What a great sound. Obviously you can hear the cam. Great sound. So we'll go see if we can't get a driving shot now.